In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new workspace in Monday.com. A workspace in Monday.com is like a dedicated home for a team, department, or project area. It keeps related boards, dashboards, and docs grouped together so everything stays organized and easy to find. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to your Monday.com account in a web browser and that you have permission to create workspaces on your plan. Start on the home area of Monday.com. This is the central landing page where you can quickly access recent work and navigation. If you're somewhere else in the platform, look for the Home option in the left sidebar to return there. Being on Home ensures the Workspace menu is easy to access and that you're creating your new space from the right context. Next, locate the Workspace selector near the top of the sidebar or header. It will typically show your current workspace, often labeled Main Workspace by default. Click that label to open the Workspace menu. This menu is your hub for switching between existing workspaces and finding the option to create a new one. In the Workspace menu, choose Add Workspace. Depending on your view, it may appear as a plus icon or a clearly labeled button. Clicking this opens a simple setup panel that asks for a name. You're not committing to anything complicated here, just giving your new space an identity. Type the name for your new workspace. Aim for something concise and descriptive so teammates immediately understand what belongs there. For example, you might use a department name, a client name, or a major project title. Consistent naming makes it much easier to navigate as your account grows. If you're unsure, pick a clear working title now. You can refine it later as the scope becomes clearer. When you're happy with the name, click Add Workspace to create it. Monday.com will add the new workspace to your list, and you'll be able to switch into it right away. From there, you can start building boards, dashboards, and docs inside that workspace so all related items live together. If you plan to collaborate, you can invite teammates and adjust privacy or access settings later from within the workspace. No need to do that right now. If you don't see the Add Workspace option, your account may have restricted permissions or a plan limit. Try refreshing your browser or checking with an account admin to confirm access. That's it. You've successfully created a new workspace in Monday.com, ready to organize your work more clearly and collaborate.